Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ownership and enabling two-step verification on your account. This prevents unauthorized edits. Once done, open Roblox Studio and back up the place by saving a local RBXLX file so you can revert if needed. Next, enable Team Create and invite only trusted collaborators. Make sure to set roles explicitly, builder versus admin, to limit access. This combination protects the project and puts you in control from the first step. You now harden the project inside Studio by auditing every plugin and script. Disable anything unsigned or unfamiliar because third-party tools can introduce risks. Once done, refactor client-server communication. Require server-side validation for every remote event and whitelist permitted actions to prevent abuse. Also, consolidate critical logic into module scripts and server scripts so sensitive functionality never runs on the client. These steps reduce attack surface and enforce a finish by publishing a controlled build. Use VIP servers or a beta place copy to test changes without exposing them to everyone. Once deployed, enable analytics and inspect server logs regularly so you can spot unusual behavior quickly. If something goes wrong, restore the local backup, roll permissions back to the previous state, and rotate any compromised credentials or API keys immediately. This final sweep secures the game and gives you a clear recovery path if trouble appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.